No way out. Okay, so I got advice regarding my physics framework. Not good. No way out. It was more of a SWOT and 7 SECOPS than anything else. No way out. It successfully replaces QM, SM, SR, GR, and Lambda CDF. No way out. That is a threat vector that no individual can sustain. No way out. Having already faced a kidnapping attempt in NOW and Fiji, I was not there. No way out. Having had all my assets stripped and a corrupt N.CAT system primed to have me mentally institutionalized, so a manager for my affairs could be appointed. No way out. I am not taking this lightly anymore. So now, RTI physics is officially a sci-fi element narrative. No sense in myself and loved ones being targeted by the globalises over some science. Nowhere! Derived a mad system with dead man hosted in TW and C. Those that come will go just as fast if I do not prevail. No threat is met without force major. Every inventor of anything to do with free energy over unity has been killed, or worse, time to turn the tables. Don't you think that is the novel? I think Greg Agan would agree, does he? R&D done threat is real. Never exist. No one controls it but the public. You move.